Hello, in this video we will learn how we can convert speech into text in MS Word. When we are writing long essay, let's say more than 200 words or 200 words, or writing any report or any document we are preparing, typing is a difficult job. If you have to type more than 200, 300 words, it is difficult. Now it is very easy. We can use the speech to text option in MS Word to type it very quickly, and later on it can be formatted. Okay, let's start. Go to the home option. In the home tab, there is a option dictate. Click it. Okay, and now this micro, okay, it is typing. We can pause. So this mic option is enabled. You can click to pause or start to dictate. So I will start to dictate and then we'll quickly read a story, and you will see how Word is typing it. Once there was a young man who was traveling around the country selling his goods. Times were very hard, and every day he sold less and less until he did not have any money at all. On the same day that he ran out of money and food, he came across a small village. You can see how quickly I read the story, and almost accurately it was converted to text by MS Word. Now this text is there. You can easily format it according to the paragraphs, because full stops are not placed. You can place a full stop yourself. Let's say here the full stop was there. You can place a full stop, but note this feature is only available in Office MS Office 365. It is not available in lower versions of MS Office.